Hey everyone, it's Frank again. So I was just waking up and I found another video by Creekcraft, and apparently I'll openly admit I was a bit wrong about a few things about the FTC and stuff like that. Reason I say this is because YouTube clarified on their Twitter that if your video is made for a general audience, you can just set it as not for kids. Now, I didn't believe this at first because the guidelines of the FTC say otherwise, but according to Creekcraft's video, YouTube's actually correct. The FTC said it themselves. Yeah. So, first things first, I do apologize for any convenience I and some others may have caused about this whole crap. And second of all, basically, if you're not aiming your video at a kid audience, or your video is not targeted for kids specifically, then all you really need to do is set your video as not for kids. Because if your video is set for a general audience, then it's not made for kids. And honestly, this is what I thought from the very beginning about this whole mess, but YouTube didn't come clean about it until now. So yeah. So basically, as far as we know, this whole COPPA thing is over, for now anyway. So yeah. So, bottom line is, you can set your video as not made for kids, and that will protect you. And the FTC will not fine you. Like I said in previous videos, the FTC will not fine you if this is simply an accident, because they clarify themselves that YouTube's ruling about this is correct. So yeah. And before I forget, I'd also like to thank everyone for 200 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and to please subscribe to my best friend / sister Autumn K, and best friend / brother B&M Steam Productions. They really need those subscribers. Now then, I've got to get the Gateway Limited ready, so thank you all for watching this, and I'll see you later. Ciao.